find the most recent GSDML file for the BNI00HL, please visit balluff.com and use the search icon to find the block's webpage containing the datasheets, configuration manual, GSDML files, and much more. Here is how we utilize discrete I/O on the first generation of BNI00HL. Let's delete the standard deactivated port slots and add the I/O link I/O ports without I/O. We will delete the deactivated placeholder for ports 0 through 3 and navigate to submodules I/O link digital I/O, digital output without I/O in the hardware catalog. Now we will go to Module, Balluff Modules, and double-click Extended Modules. Let's add output bits for pins 2 and 4 in the extended modules by going to Submodules, Additional Submodules, and double-click on Output Pin 2 and Output Pin 4. A queue address has been assigned to both pins. We need to set the port configuration by going to each port's Properties, General, Module Parameters, and change the port configuration to DoDo for pin 2, pin 4 behavior. It's time to test our configuration. Download the project and pull up the web page of the BNI00HL to view live feedback. After pulling up the watch table, you can edit the bits for the output bytes and observe the outputs on the block.